Okay, today we will do our magnetic powered car challenge. You guys are going to build a little car that is powered by magnets and then race them against each other. There will be a prize for the winner. Here are your steps. Step 1, you will use the Connect kits. Remember these folks? You may not use the motor, but you are going to construct your own little car that can transport, and you are going to mount a magnet on the back of it, at least one magnet on the back of the car. Your next part is you're going to grab a meter stick and you're going to mount a magnet on the end of the meter stick. What this does is if you set the magnets up right, as I get this magnet closer to the car, it will push away and move the car. I have a demonstration of that a little later. Once you have figured out those parts, practice driving your car, and then we will create a nice straight road and we will race the cars in class. The kind of race will depend on the attendance. If there's a couple of you, we'll do one grand race. If there's a bunch of you, we may do heats. Here are your basic materials. First of all, the Connect kits. You can use all you want out of here except any of the other power motors. No battery powered motors, no spring power motors, etc. Magnets, 1 to 4. You need at least 2, one for the car, one for the meter stick. I'll let you use up to 4 if you feel creative. You don't have to. Meter sticks, you need at least 1. You're welcome to use 2 if you have some clever idea. And rubber bands. I have tons of rubber bands that help hold magnets in place. You're welcome to all the rubber bands you want. Here are the basic rules. Car must have no other power source other than the magnets. The magnet on the stick may only repel the car. If it sticks to the car, you're disqualified. If you are thinking, wow, I'll just stick my magnets together and drag the car, only repelling power. Your car must stay together. It can't fall apart in the middle of the race. And racers may not physically interfere with other drivers or their cars. Questions? If not, ladies and gentlemen, start your engine. Okay, so we're going to have our car with a magnet on the back. We're going to have a meter stick with a magnet on the front. If I set these up correctly, the magnets will repel each other. Notice how they do not touch, and I can move the car. Oh, that's a penalty. I let them stick. So this is how you're going to power the car. Whoever can do the track fastest will win. So if there are no questions, let the games begin.